All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got 2-year-old Hayden in the back of the Tahoe, and she is cranked up. Hey. Good. Oh, hey, that's it. Good. Point of this exercise is a desensitizer to being in a vehicle and engaging with a threat. Ooh, that's it. Good, that's it. Ooh, hey. Day! Oh, good, nice. Seeing that she's got at least a developing nerve to engage with a would-be threat. Here, good. Oh, that's it, good. So, sweet Hayden's got enough to work with right there for certain. And it'll only get better as she matures. Go ahead, down her. Oh, look at that, an off switch. That's what people pay the big bucks for. There you go, Hayden Von Prufenpuden, demonstrating a very keen understanding of turning off, turning on in the back of the Tahoe.